Let me be real with you. A lot of beginner VAs think that they are not getting hired because hindi ako magaling mag-English, baka mali yung grammar ko, baka hindi professional pakinggan. Pero here's the truth. You're not bad at English, you're just overthinking your applications. And overthinking is what kills clarity. Because when you overthink, your message becomes complicated. Sinusubukan mong mag-sound formal, sinusubukan mong mag-sound perfect, sinusubukan mong mag-sound like someone that you're not. And instead of sounding clear, you end up sounding unclear. Now, let me explain. Yung mga client, hindi nila kailangan ng perfect English, hindi nila kailangan ng advanced na vocabulary, hindi nila kailangan ng complicated sentences. Ang kailangan nila is clarity. Kaya mo bang explain kung ano yung mga skills mo? Kaya mo bang makaintindi ng mga instructions? And kaya mo bang makipag-communicate without confusion? Yun lang. Pero karamihan ng mga beginners ruin their chances by trying too hard to sound professional. Susulat sila ng long messages, over-explain nila lahat ng bagay, sinisecond guess nila every sentence, and because of that, their real value gets lost. Now, here's something very important. Yung mga VA na na-hire agad is wala silang perfect English pero they can communicate clearly, simple, direct, easy to understand, walang unnecessary complexity, and doon nagre-respond yung mga client because sa real work, yung mga client naman is hindi nila gina-judge yung grammar mo. They are just looking for someone that they can work with easily, someone na who doesn't confuse them, someone who gets the job done. So, kung iniisip mo na kailangan mo muna ng better English bago ka mag-apply, mag-pause ka muna for a second because ay baka yan yung mindset na rason kung bakit stuck ka ngayon sa situation mo. Hindi yung English speaking skills mo pero yung overthinking na ginagawa mo. So instead of trying to sound perfect always, try to sound clear. So instead of writing like a textbook, write like a real person solving a problem. Because of VA work, yung clarity will always win over complexity. And the moment na mag-stop ka mag-overthink about your English is you actually start communicating like someone who actually gets hired. Again, the moment na tumigil ka mag-overthink about your English is the moment that you start communicating like someone who gets hired.